Yeah, so let us study about dicotyledons roots. Let me explain you from the NCERT page number 73. Dicotyledons root. Look at the figure 6.3a. It shows the transverse section of the sunflower root. The internal tissue organization is as follows. This diagram, it is there in your page number 73, 6.3a, in which it is the part of the sunflower root. TS means transverse section. It is a transverse section of the dicot root, primary. Okay. So let me start. The outermost layer is epiblema. Now what is this epiblema? Has in the diagram it is not there. So epiblema is the combination of root hair and epidermis. Combination of the root hair and epidermis is known as epiblema. Right? The outermost layer is epiblema. Many of the cells of epiblema protrude in the form of unicellular root hairs. Now, the cortex. What is cortex? It is the pack of cells which is present in the sunflower dicot root. Okay, in which the space are there in between the cells. Like that, the endodermis is also present just in between the dicot root. But here there is no space in between the cells. Remember. Then this whole cortex consists of only parenchymatous cells. The intercellular spaces. Okay. The innermost layer of the cortex is known as endodermis, as I said you. Next, it comprises a single layer of barrel-shaped cells. This in endodermis, the cells which are present, they are barrel-shaped. Right? It might also come, this question has in MCQs or fill in the blanks. Even the NEET exam also. Now, the tangential as well as radial walls of the endodermal cells have a deposition of water impermeable waxy material submarine in the form of Casparian strips. Now what are these Casparian strips? Just like this. Okay. Next to endodermis lies a few layers of a thick walled parenchymatous cells referred as a pericycle. Now what is this pericycle? The pericycle is just inside the endodermis, in which it consists of many cells with spaces. Then, initiation of the lateral roots and vascular cambium during the secondary growth takes place in the cells. Now, the cambium is only present in between the phloem and xylem, in which it is only present in dicotyledons. As I said in the previous video, in monocotyledons, the cambium is absent in between the phloem and the xylem. So it is only present in dicot roots, right? Now, the parenchymatous cells which lie between xylem and phloem are conjoined tissue. Remember conjoined tissues. There are usually 2 or 4 xylem and phloem patches. Later, a cambium ring develops between the xylem and the phloem. Now, in the primary, in between the xylem and the phloem, the cambium is absent. It may grow in the secondary growth. Okay. Then, all tissues of the inner side of the endodermis, such as pericycle, vascular bundles, and it constitute of stelae. Now, this diagram is very important. This you may get in the question paper for 5 marks. Not missing one step also, you have to remember and practice these diagrams. Okay. First of all, the root hairs are present, in which they are unicellular root hairs. You have to remember. In the NEET exam, they might ask, like they ask the question, what are the which type of root hairs present in the dicot root in primary, in transverse section of the sunflower root? The options will be unicellular or multicellular. So correct option will be unicellular roots. Okay. Just after the root hairs, epidermis is present. Both are known as epiblema. After epiblema, the bunch of parenchymatous cells you get, in which the spaces are present in between these cells, parenchymatous cells. Then, Just after that, in between you will get endodermis. Endodermis, it is present just in between the dicotyledon root. And then pericycle. Pericycle is present in between the endodermis cell. Okay. After that, protoxylem, metaxylem, pith. Now pith is present exactly center of the root. Then phylum. So this was the tiers of the dicot root primary. It means the transverse section of the sunflower root. In the next video, I might explain you about the monocotyledon root also. Yeah, if you get many types of roots in many parts, like many flowers also. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.